In this video, I'm going to show you how you can place a sort order on Bitcoin using Kraken. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. But before starting, I want to let you know that Kraken is currently offering up to 75 euros or dollars for new users. So all you need to do is create an account with the link I will leave on the description below, or you can also use my invite code. And after that, you should see a window with some requirements you need to do. So you will usually need to deposit 100 or 200 euros and then trade them, which can be just converting them from one crypto to another. And after you have completed the task, you will automatically get money directly on your Kraken wallet and you can withdraw it to your bank account whenever you want. Then you can keep inviting more friends, so you will get up to 75 euros for you and every friend you invite to Kraken. So don't forget to join Kraken with the link in the description below. So this is very easy. You will need to use Kraken Pro. This is completely free if you have a Kraken account. So if you can't find Kraken Pro, just click this icon and right here you can switch between the different Kraken platforms. So click on Kraken Pro and then go to trade. So if we want to open a sort order, we will need to use the margin markets. So click right here to switch the coin, then go to spot and margin, and you can click right here to filter by margin. So as you can see, we have Bitcoin right here, we have different pairs. I'm going to do the Bitcoin dollars pair, so click here. And now as you can see, margin is enabled for this market. So I will see the amount available to trade instead of my Bitcoin balance. So to open a sort order, click on sell and enable the margin if you don't have it enabled. And now we can borrow these assets. We can set, depending on the balance you have on your account, you can borrow more or less. So as we can see right here, I have like $60 on this wallet. So with a 10x margin, I can borrow up to $600. So we can just select how much Bitcoin we want to borrow for this order. We can see the portfolio leverage right here. Then we can enable the take profit or stop loss. This is very recommended as well, so it doesn't wipe your entire portfolio. So you can put your stop loss price and your take profit price right here. Now after you configure everything, you can click right here to open your sort order on Bitcoin. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.